Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Welcome to iViewLogic software testing channel. This video is regarding to modifiers. Actually, I'll explain about the true fact about the modifiers. There are a lot of confusions. In a Java, what we can say access specifier or we can say access modifiers. There are a lot of confusion about these terminologies. Okay, so but in some of the articles mention access specifier, we can say in some of the articles they say access modifiers, but which is the correct one, right? So there are a lot of confusion. So which is the expected terms in a Java? Okay, so today let me try to demonstrate you, okay, and I try to prove you, okay. In a Java, we can say access modifiers. There is no term in a Java access specifiers. Okay, so see here, this is the simple Java program. Okay, test class. Okay, inside this test class, okay, main method is there. Inside that main method, one of the SOP statement system.out.println, which is used for to execute the मैसेज ऑन योर कंसोल. ओके, यहाँ पे सिर्फ हेलो वर्ल्ड मैंने प्रिंट किया है. ओके, सो ऑटोमेटिकली ये आपके कंसोल के ऊपर प्रिंट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि जावा में हम एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर बोल सकते हैं मॉडिफायर्स को, और कुछ लोग बोलते हैं इसको एक्सेस मॉडिफायर बोलते हैं. सो बट विच इज द करेक्ट वन? Okay, so I'll try to prove you practically so which is the correct one. Okay, so I'll compile this program and I will run this program first. Okay, so for this compilation I'll open the cmd prompt. Okay, I'll save that program inside this program folder. Okay, cmd. Okay, here I'll compile this program java c test.java. Okay, compile successfully. After that I'll run this program java class name test, enter hello world. Okay, it means successfully we can execute it. Okay, suppose in our program if I keep here public, right, public, save this program and I'll compile and I will run this program again. Compile successfully, I'll run this program again. Successfully we can execute that program hello world. Suppose instead of public if I keep, okay, private here. Okay, so these are the different modifiers: public, private, protected, volatile, synchronized, default. So these are the different modifiers. Okay, so I'm giving private, right? Save this program and now I will compile this program. Once I compile this program, here the message is generated by compiler. Okay, ये मैसेज कंपाइलर जनरेट करके हमें दे रहा है. क्या है? मॉडिफायर प्राइवेट नॉट अलाउड हियर. मॉडिफायर प्राइवेट नॉट अलाउड हियर. सी, जेडीके का कंपाइलर खुद बोल रहा है कि प्राइवेट इज अ मॉडिफायर. सो वी कैन से प्राइवेट इज अ मॉडिफायर. वी कैन नॉट से प्राइवेट इज अ एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर. Okay, there is no term in a Java. Okay, access specifier is term is not available in a Java. Okay, in a Java always we can say, okay, access modifier private or modifier private. Okay, modifier private you can say, right? So through this way we can understand, okay, private, public, protected, default. So these are the different modifiers, access modifiers. Okay, so definitely we can say modifier is the correct expected answers, right? So access modifiers we can say. Okay, never, we cannot say access specifiers. Okay, in C++ language we can say these are the different access specifiers, but in Java specifically we can say these are the modifiers, right? So this is the first level of proof, okay, so that we can easily understand private public protector. These are the different access modifiers, okay. There is no term access specifiers. Okay, let me try to show another proof. Okay, let me open my Eclipse ID, which is most popular ID in the world. Okay, taking time to open. So I'll try to show you. Okay, so these are the different access modifiers available in a Java. There is no term access specifiers. So maybe X can be wrong, Y can be wrong, professors can be wrong. Okay, so in a block might be some mentions access specifiers, but the message is generated by the system, the message is generated by the ID, okay, which is not wrong. Okay, see here, this is Eclipse ID. Here one of the demo project. Inside that I'll try to create one simple Java program. Okay, I'll try to create a class. See here, public, package, private, protected, abstract, final, static. So these are the modifiers. See label कहाँ क्या है यहाँ पे modifiers. It means these are the different modifiers, right? यहाँ भी या Eclipse ID ये नहीं बोल रहे कि ये access specifier है. So these are the different modifiers. So there is no term in a Java access specifiers. Okay, always we can say these are the different access modifiers. Okay, so I hope you got clear idea about the fact of modifiers, okay, which is the correct term available in a Java, right? So always we can say access modifier, don't say access specifiers. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you so much.